Ebusuafo memo bibia kwa ba de Bajen CN page so midin e de adwoa searching. Subscribe to my channel. Fa wonsa mi abel on so. Ubenya notification. Video de betum bia ubenya bi ahwe. Owura Aaron Kuma na okase na Owura Kuma ne sema okan na ne se. Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama. Sha ohwe na wanka hwe ewo abra Same Jamfi a oye communication officer de ma NDC amayekuo no address ono omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama as president elect na omanpani dada wanka asem no hwehwe no very wrong na asem no emu enchemu ni abra yeto aba wie 2020 no ene ensem di bebre ena hey ochina hey ni nane se NDC force aba no mu wini na yisi ewiem ede ama nanado anase MPP amayekuo nti omo nte ase omo de omo nsam akodan court na yebeka ya abra yeto aba ni wie 3 days time na Madam Jane Mensah ede declaration no eba out na ansa na mpa Madam Jane Mensah ebe declare winner no NDC fom penefo oresi edun ketia na NDC fom penefo na omanpanyin dada John Dramani Mahama omo ba out ebe kan say omo atete say Ghana fu bi ka say aba no omo mbe declare kra but omanpanyin dada John Dramani Mahama afa phone de after his excellency Nanado amano congratulations na omo eba be ka kire nation ni say omanpanyin dada enye bibia sa o address obia onfro obia e man congratulations obia wini in fact abano omo no omo wini because omo figures bi omo akeka bom e kire say omo edi nkunim ho nsem na de ade a na yeto abano ewie de conferences ahodo ekoso wa Ghana ha nyasem ketwa oresi edun ketia na Same Jamfi omo abeye press conference omo ekasa omo de omo nji ntum da se na nado na oye president wa Ghana ha kopem se court declare asem no ewie se omanpanyin dada na owini election ono no beye president ansa na omo aja atum so omo de omo president wa Ghana ha no na Ghana fu bi so e kire se na NDC fo pa mo kire se oresi edun ketia aden munji ntum se na nado ye president na mo muji tumi se Owura Babin oye NDC ni no oni de oye speaker of parliament enya sa na manfo etwa ball NDC fo na de ade a nenu na Owura Aaron Kuma e kire se sa Same Jamfi o address omanpani dada say oye president elect e wo 2020 abato ye tu yemu no omanpani dada anka hwe anche Same Jamfi antia no very wrong yenti ensem a Owura Kuma ede etudwa
director no but no communication director no your friend say Same Jamfi Same Jamfi
communication
officer addressing President Mahama as president elect. Yes, and I was expecting saying President Mahama Bakajan said that we haven't got there yet, but he responded to his president elect and now muko court no mako kan take Ghana for say afi kura de enya no kwese mo amu we ne na mum election obia enya 50% plus 1
it is Supreme Court mfa na ni hwem
okay na yen to ba fofo and yen ko to ba fofo ade anga office ye to ba fofo because we say 4 years no e be na say ya o enti wo twin chance so now assume say 1 year kwa na say ko to ba fofo na ko win ya aka 3 years pe why are they not in a hurry to make it look faster so that at least we can go for that second round and if they win they take over the country and run it. Are they not in that hurry because to run the country?
Experience in 2013,
that is the point.
Court precedents no
because
business slow down.
Interrogations here. To the koi.
Yeah.
And then when it gets to the stage, opportunity will come for you to cross-examine electoral commission.
The commissioner.
So why
all right,
do
Martin,
we worry ourselves? Me the mistake now, you
and until na me bisa say, do you think say pre-trial no would have made substantive AEB
one say election on one say we mistake say I never come who ni say NDC say party say uni ma make us ba kwancho mo supporters ehun say asem na mo de kusi ndi kudu court no kra ahwe nko ti hwe do you know why the reason is that I have been engaging most of your people.
My pentem waten.
Yeah, no. Mami can't say so. Mami can't didn't make us ask me say. Mami can't didn't make us ask me say.
I Jose. Yeah.
Me say,
Mami. Yes, a prejudicial.
What is prejudicial?
Supporters name.
More. Press conference. Go cast on my way near Bado. I saw Mudu court. I must say, Mr. Kuma,
Oh, they would see me, uncle.
Me, they are making their but I didn't say because wouldn't me answer and kept up well. You can make come out.
Debbie, you Mr. Kuma Nyabutre. Matthias, but me answer. It's not about we shouting. Nyabutre.
What person Subino?
There will be a pesu bambia. Me fa hone de obeka but when I feel that enyese obi mpenu kra o kasa dia na ubu adwuma nimtia obi anka enyese obi
enyese media grow as a part make am
there be menyese dia there be yanima na osan betina de bia na magana 40 wonka
yes
it's ameka to senya abotre tie me se asem no enko supreme court ne kanko ekopi hoso a Mr. Kuma ne kan enso nko it's na
saying na maka
there be
me be me pusa question me pusa question na maka because some make anya say me say wo nipa no kro ya wo ti abontin say what did them what we need like and now they go court and now go do court
but don't you know what say
no what it for I just to me say one way anything omo go abontin here demonstrations I just have one step and say demonstrations are do it so I win it I will do court I can say my win it
me from now today we do okay
doctor tia say me kind if you say me kind when 10 years na obeja what you asante about me jan say prejudice no me say Uja bontin say what it have for catch down say why winning lesson and what it have for no call demonstration upon demonstration say o ma winning lesson it is no Mahama no Ghana and it say we here no and we could do court and now can say me can say my winning no manya winning now me yet now can say what me and ka ho nyi no
na me chechire mo still refusing to understand me Mr. Kuma dey what court Victor let's get this thing straight say ye kan asem na asem ni nyanko court wa ni puma sibre no na different thing you know and asem nyabotre asem ni ko pie court wa ehun so asem ka eno so asem foforo
and me be question e dey na me kan ya wanwa
nyabotre
omo yam asem ba na me kan ya wanwa munti mo be jina asesi amudi kikiki say prejudice contempt because asem me kan ya nya ne say woni baba akun o ya sam what is for we are more for Kwabamabu because we see one winning. I go do court. I'll say, Nikamania winning. Tian Kosaron, do the Agita 41. Over and who say, Name to be quite demonstration. I'm a cotton on tea and they say, Mahama winning. That's our demonstration for so many also. That's the question I'm asking. That was the
Mate.
Gentia.
Jose. So a very quick one on the parliamentary appointment from the president of the land.
A president appointment?
Yes, a very quick one.
Oh, sir, me can't say me deputy minister. Me baby, I know na beka. Say me baby, I know na beka. Me am work worship. Ba unim.
You met 1 minute a few times, so that's the punishment.
Titu kra.
Mr. Kuma,
ba unim. Your friend is a president. And now, so in fact, president now, so you're team free president now. But and I'm from him.
Yeah.
Since I'm a TF, could do upon Kruma.
That's right. Yeah.
Say I feel present number of ministers esobeti.
Lean government.
And quiet is the first na bi.
Okay.
And as the ministers no you see be 50. ministry ni de say ebinu
me say sora abofo to nyum de bi say hallelujah wasroho nanado wasroho nanado we are champion ate o man Ghana ehia wan ka be den entia na ballot paper nanado da number 1 no we wini awie we mempre won number 1 pa ukona akwakoto abana no ane se udu suru hono ma nanado me na asie nie na de atim wo nananie pia me se suru abofo to nyum de bi se hallelujah wasro MPP wasro me se nanado wasro ye wasono wasro me se to abanama nanado na free education no wonso mba nkobi na onuanu mu nkobi me se to abanama nanado na wo manu ko university a wa mom loan na wo hiya guarantee